What is good? Hey, we got a great battle here. I gotta go with my big bro, and that's the M5. Thank you, Auto Glory. I hope you upload, tomorrow or whatever. But these videos are goldie. Let's get into it. Fair use.
Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for joining in. So, I got a pretty exciting matchup for you guys here tonight. And let me welcome back the 2014 Nissan GTR that you guys already know on the channel. This is a complete full bolt-on car with hybrid turbos. Now, as I said before in previous videos, we don't know exactly what turbos they are, but they're similar to Nismo's. Now, the owner made 740 wheel on E85, and as you guys know, this is an all-wheel drive car, and they are on the heavy side. They're around 3,800 to 3,900 pounds.
They are so sexy. But I prefer, after watching this channel, I'll get a C6, C06.
And he's be running up against an F90 M5 competition. Now, it's also been a little while since we've seen this car on the channel. Now, this car is on a custom E42 with downpipes. Now, last time he was on E40, he had his E42 wasn't all that great and just got revised, so he says the car is running really good. So we're going to be assuming this car is probably making somewhere around mid-700 to the wheels, maybe a little higher, but we don't know for sure. Now, you guys know these cars are also all-wheel drive, and they weigh around 4,300 pounds.
Yep.
So, I think this is going to be a good race. So both cars are taking one passenger.
So let's see how it goes.
So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm here in the M5, and I'm also back with the race box. So we're going to see some 60 to 130 times in these cars.
Alright.
We're going to be in second gear. Are you ready?
He almost jumped up.
Are you ready?
Oh my god.
Sorry guys.
They keep playing around.
Are you ready? You ready?
I feel like that wasn't a clean start, but man, he keep playing around. And he got beat.
On your back bumper. They're starting to pull.
Way hard, yeah. He let us.
Alright.
Wow, that 5 is.
Quick.
That 5,
So
I
what did
told
we
you.
do
You can't play with this 5.
in a 7.08?
Damn. Sad.
Alright guys,
It must be warm.
on to round 2. We're going to do a 50 roll.
They are in Florida, it's humid. Mexico.
Here we go. Are you ready?
Alright, let's see this one. Stop playing around. I mean, even right there, that seemed like a little weird.
Pull it, let's go.
That 5 got him.
You're creeping.
Bam. That 5
Wow,
is
you pulled him.
I knew that was about to happen. That's why I'm not that
Let's see how
shocked.
we did. We did a 6.81.
Damn. No wonder.
Let's see what your phone did.
I don't know if I got it yet.
No wonder.
Alright guys, so now we're here in front of a Draggy.
My brain's against.
Draggy is showing did a 6.84. Alright guys,
What?
Just so you doubters who've complained in the past about the race box and the draggy, they're very, very similar. 6.84 for draggy,
6.81.
6.81 for race box.
I think accurate.
Alright guys, we are going to do that 50 one more time.
Alright, let's see. This is weird that they can't hear or something. That's probably why. Alright, let's see. Hurry up with that window on. What? See?
Hold him. Oh, he's right here.
Oh.
On 50? Where'd you let off at?
As soon as he pulls, the brakes are out.
How fast you let off at?
150, 155.
155. All right. So what did we do on the draggy? With two people in the car, we did a 6.85. Interesting.
Same, almost the same
My
thing.
130, what did that get? I can't see.
But he actually didn't do that
All
good
right.
that race.
On the draggy, it shows a
6.84.
6.84.
Same thing. I mean, this is.
All right, guys. Last and final
I think
round.
he got
We're gonna do a 60 roll.
the GTR had him on that race.
All-wheel drive for the win. Are you ready?
Oh, he got that one done quick. Oh, wow.
Oh, he let off.
Oh.
Let off on that. Let off a little early.
Yeah, like that one.
All right. Well, this was a good matchup for sure.
This is like one of those back and forth. Those are even cars. Damn. Okay. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't mind with either of my cars. I love a GTR. And I love an M5 for sure. I just heard one earlier. Oh my god. It was so loud. So loud. I'm just like thinking. And I just went over these speed bumps and I thank God. It just didn't feel right off for one. And I tried to avoid it. Thank you for watching.